This is Tim Dyer, EE201. This is a full adder breadboard circuit. Currently, I have all three digital inputs to 1. Also on multisim, all three digital inputs to 1. I have a sum and a carry light on. Same thing with the breadboard. If I change the inputs, start out with 0. Both lights are off. I turn on 1 digit, I get a sum light. Second digit, I have a carry light in both, or all three. I have a sum for the green light and a red carry light. Everything's working. I used 2 chips that were 74LS00 and then one 74LS08 AND gate, and then an inverter 74LS04 gate. Everything seems to be working. Thanks.